Imagine your home suddenly losing power for 3 days. In situations like these, being prepared can make all the difference in your comfort and safety. Creating a 72-hour emergency kit may sound daunting, but it's both practical and within reach for most households. With a few thoughtful steps, you can assemble a kit that covers your essential needs without breaking the bank. Preparation today ensures peace of mind when the unexpected happens. Water is an essential resource that is often overlooked when preparing for emergencies. It's important to remember that each person requires at least 1 gallon of water per day for drinking and basic hygiene. For a family, this means calculating the total number of people and multiplying by the number of days you plan to be prepared for. This simple formula helps ensure that everyone has enough water to stay healthy and safe during unexpected situations. Proper planning can make a significant difference in your family's well-being during a crisis. Choosing food for your emergency kit doesn't have to be complicated. Start by selecting shelf-stable items that you and your family already like to eat. Foods such as peanut butter, canned meats, rice, and protein bars are not only nutritious, but also provide a sense of comfort during uncertain times. By sticking to familiar options, you make it easier to maintain normal eating habits even in a crisis. Having dependable lighting and communication devices is crucial in emergency situations. Including headlamps and flashlights in your kit ensures you can navigate safely in the dark. Emergency radios keep you updated with important information when other sources may be unavailable. Portable battery banks help maintain power for your devices, allowing you to stay connected and informed during outages. These tools play a vital role in ensuring your safety and preparedness. You can find great options on our website for all the products discussed in this video. You will see the links in the description. Preparedness doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that unfolds step by step. By assembling your emergency kit over time, you can steadily increase your readiness and reduce stress when unexpected situations arise. This approach not only helps you manage costs, but also ensures that your kit is tailored to your specific needs. For those looking for more detailed instructions or support, a variety of additional resources are available to guide you further. You can also get a discounted electronic version of the DeVault Practical Prepping Guide. You can see a link to this available in the description below. If you have questions or concerns, please feel free to leave comments and we will respond as soon as possible. If you subscribe to this channel, it also allows you access to the DeVault prepping community as a part of your subscription at no cost to you. So invite your friends and share our videos to help us grow. We appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified when the DeVault Prepping channel releases new videos.
Prepared, not panicked. This is DeVault Prepping. Real-world gear recommendations, real-world strategies. Because when it happens, you're either ready or you're not. Semper Paratus, always ready.